welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys a little peek of my hotel suite. Guys, when I stepped into the kitchen, I was like, it was amazing. We got the champagne glasses, the wine glasses, the plates, the cups. Here we have the dining room table. We have a living room, nice view and everything. And then we have the bedroom. Oh my goodness, it was like Christmas all over again. The bedroom was ooh la la. The sheets and the mattress, they were so comfy. Oh, the jacuzzi. I know I'm gonna go in tonight. I'm gonna go in that jacuzzi tonight. And it's cold outside. Oh my goodness. I'm about to go in, guys. I'm gonna go in. Then we have the shower. The toilet, you know, it's regular toilet, but the shower, whew, I could spend all night in that shower. Oh, it was so spacious and everything. I felt I was in the islands, you know, getting that waterfall. Then we have lots of towels, and then we got the dryer and the washer. You know I gotta look sexy in the background. I have to look sexy in the background. I started that jacuzzi, got my cranberry juice in my wine glass. Guys, I was enjoying my time. I sure was. I was enjoying my time, okay? Then I went on and get that robe. You know, I gotta put it on, you know, look nice and fancy. I went downstairs. I don't know why I did, but I went downstairs and got me a little dinner. Just to enjoy the moment of everything. The dinner was amazing. I got lots and lots of spice. Whatever that he was throwing in there, it was spicy as heck. Then I had my little salad. You know, I gotta put some salad in it. You know, gotta put some salad in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.